Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that how to remove connected apps with Facebook. The process is straightforward and effortless. Before starting the process, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. After it, open your Facebook application. After it open, take a look on the right top. You can see a profile icon. Tap on it and tap on the setting icon which is on the right top. Now scroll down and here you can find the option in your activity on the third number apps and website. Tap on this option. Here you can see Monopoly Go, Tester Dropbox, WPS Office. Out of these four, two applications are active with my Facebook account. And how can I remove it? Tap on that which you want to remove from your Facebook account. Just for example, I want to remove Tester and here you can find the option remove. Simply tap on it and here tap on the option remove. After tapping on the option remove, your connected app with Facebook will be removed. So it was the basic way by which you can remove an application from your Facebook account.